how to fix deposit pending error in CoinDCX. So hello guys and welcome to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your app's settings over here. There are different ways to approach this. The first thing that I want you guys to check is to check the connection method. Ensure that it has connectivity for your Wi-Fi or your SIM card that you are using. The deposit pending error could be caused by a connection error. Also ensure that you are connected to a very fast or a reliable Wi-Fi or have reliable internet connection. If those that does not work, what you could do is you could clear data over here by clicking on the clear data, and you could choose between clear all data or clear cache just like this. By doing so, it will reset your CoinDCX and be able to open it like you open it for the first time. And if does that not work, you could also try uninstalling and reinstalling your CoinDCX. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.